Hey everyone, I am Roshan and today I am excited to dive into one of the fascinating AWS service that I have been exploring lately. Welcome to our session on AWS Lambda. So what exactly is AWS Lambda? Well, think of it as a powerhouse that lets you run code without managing servers. Sounds cool, right? Imagine you having a piece of code that needs to be executed in response to certain events, like a user uploading a file or a message being sent to a queue. Traditionally, you would have to set up and manage servers to handle these tasks. But with Lambda, you just upload your code and AWS takes care of the rest, scaling it automatically based on the incoming traffic. One of the coolest features of Lambda is its pay-as-you-go model. You only pay for the compute time you consume, down to nearest 100 milliseconds. This makes it extremely cost-effective. Another standout feature is its seamless integration with other AWS services. Whether you are triggering Lambda functions in response to events from S3, DynamoDB, or API Gateway, it is super easy to set up and configure. For example, let's say you are building a chat application and you want to analyze the sentiment of incoming messages in real time. Instead of setting up and managing servers to handle these tasks, you could simply write a Lambda function that processes each message as it arrives. Pretty neat, huh? Now I want you to imagine the possibilities. What if you could build a serverless image resizing service that automatically scales based on demand? Or a real-time data processing pipeline that reacts to changes in your database? With Lambda, the sky is the limit. In summary, AWS Lambda is a game changer in the world of cloud computing. It allows you to focus on writing code without worrying about infrastructure, and it scales effortlessly to meet your needs. I encourage you to dive deeper into Lambda and start experimenting with it. Trust me, once you go serverless, you will never look back. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this session informative and inspiring. If you have any question or want to share your Lambda projects, feel free to reach out. Happy coding!